Osspit Silver Rotisserie Package. Picture this. You're sitting around a cozy fire with friends and family, enjoying the fresh air, and it's time to cook. That's when you bring out the Osspit Silver Rotisserie, the perfect outdoor cooking system to make grilling effortless. This stainless steel rotisserie and grill combo is designed for easy, adjustable cooking, so you can roast steaks, chicken, and sides all at once. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just having a backyard cookout, it's built to handle it all. The best part? It runs on just 2D batteries, giving you 30 hours of runtime, so you don't have to worry about power. No need for bulky setups or constant flipping. Just sit back and let the rotisserie do the work while you enjoy the company. For $228, you get a durable, portable, and hassle-free way to cook delicious meals wherever you go. The Bake-A-Pipe-Eye is a smart, six-wheeled robot designed to inspect underground pipes quickly and efficiently. Engineers at the New Zealand company Becca created it when they needed to assess a damaged culvert beneath a busy highway, but couldn't find a robot on the market that met their needs. Instead of settling for less, they built their own, and Pipe-Eye was born. This mini rover-style robot is packed with technology. It moves smoothly through pipelines, capturing 360-degree video, creating detailed 3D models, and measuring distances inside the pipes. This means engineers can inspect damage, check for blockages, and plan repairs without having to dig up roads or disrupt traffic. The best part? Becca plans to make Pipe-Eye even smarter by adding AI, which will help analyze data and detect issues automatically. Pipe-Eye is a game changer for infrastructure maintenance. It makes pipe inspections safer, faster, and more accurate. The BCA Tracker 4 is a must-have safety device for anyone exploring snowy mountains. Whether you're hiking, skiing, or snowboarding, this beacon helps rescuers locate people buried under snow in case of an avalanche. It's simple to use. Just attach the small beeper sensors to your clothing before heading out. These sensors continuously emit radio signals, so if you ever get trapped, search teams can quickly track your location. The BCA Tracker 4 makes rescues fast and efficient by showing both the distance and direction of nearby beepers. With a strong reception range of 55 meters and a wide search area of 50 meters, it offers excellent coverage, increasing the chances of a successful rescue. Designed to be lightweight, durable, and easy to carry, this device is perfect for outdoor adventurers who want extra peace of mind. Priced at $468, it's a small price to pay for something that could save your life. Chaos Bowie, a powerful blade with a legendary design. The Chaos Bowie from Cold Steel is inspired by the trench knives used in both World Wars, built for strength, durability, and reliability. It became so popular that the company even released a double-edged version. This knife features a 28 centimeters blade made from SK5, a high-quality Japanese spring steel known for its toughness and sharpness. The entire knife measures 42 centimeters, making it a serious tool for outdoor survival, self-defense, or tough cutting tasks. Its solid build and ergonomic handle ensure a secure grip, giving you confidence in any situation. For easy carrying, the Chaos Bowie comes with a SecureX sheath that works with M-Lock and Tech-Lock mounts, allowing for flexible and safe storage. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a collector, or someone who appreciates a reliable blade, this knife stands out for its craftsmanship and design. The C-Tech-Eye GT600 is a must-have portable power station for outdoor trips or emergency backups. With 384 watt capacity and a peak power of 1,200 watts, it can easily handle multiple devices while keeping everything safe with pure sine wave technology. It comes with a durable LFP battery, the same type used in electric cars, ensuring long-lasting performance. You can connect up to 6 devices at once, making it perfect for charging phones, running lights, or even powering small appliances. If you're wondering about bigger items, it can keep a fridge running for up to 9 hours, depending on power usage. One of its best features is its cold weather reliability, meaning it works smoothly even in winter. Whether you're camping, preparing for a blackout, or just need extra power on the go, this generator has got you covered. And at just $300, it's an affordable way to stay powered anywhere. Evo Grip, more than just a toothbrush. Evo Grip isn't your ordinary toothbrush. It's a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Designed for adventurers, it's the world's first 3-in-1 toothbrush that packs multiple useful tools into a compact, travel-friendly design. This smart gadget holds a toothbrush, includes a built-in floss container, and even features a metal cone that can double as a self-defense tool or an awl for piercing materials. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just want to travel light, Evo Grip keeps you prepared for anything. Made from tough and lightweight titanium, this toothbrush is built to last and handle rugged conditions. It also comes with a handy carabiner, so you can easily clip it onto your backpack and keep it within reach. At $69, Evo Grip is more than just a hygiene tool. It's a multifunctional survival essential. If you're someone who loves the outdoors and appreciates smart gear that saves space, this is a perfect addition to your kit. With Evo Grip, you'll always be ready for your next adventure. The Farson Blade by Fremont is a one-of-a-kind tool that combines the best features of a knife and an axe. Whether you need to carve wood, chop firewood, or slice food, this compact yet powerful blade is up for the task. What makes it even more versatile is its ability to transform. If you find a sturdy branch, you can attach it as a handle, turning the blade into a small axe for heavier cutting jobs. Despite its compact 15-centimeter size, its cutting edge extends to 20 centimeters, giving you plenty of surface area for slicing, chopping, and carving with ease. The included paracord adds extra functionality, useful for survival situations, camping, or quick fixes. On top of that, the Farson Blade's rugged and aggressive design gives it a tactical edge, which might even deter potential threats in an emergency. At just $55, it's a budget-friendly yet highly practical tool for outdoor lovers, survivalists, and adventurers. The FlexTail Evo Icer is a portable, battery-powered ice maker designed for outdoor adventures. Whether you're camping, on a road trip, or at the beach, you'll never run out of ice again. This compact and lightweight machine, about 20.9 pounds, 9.5 kilograms, can easily be carried anywhere. It makes 12 ice cubes in just 5 minutes, giving you fresh ice whenever you need it. Powered by a 200-watt-hour lithium battery, it runs for up to 3 hours, producing over 400 ice cubes on a single charge. You can even charge it via USB-C or a standard power port. The Evo Icer features 3 modes. Quick mode makes ice in just 5 minutes. Cup mode creates a smaller batch. Eco mode saves power for longer use. It's easy to use with one-click cleaning and alerts for low water or a full ice bin. Plus it's quiet, 50 dB, and works even in hot weather up to 108 degrees Fahrenheit or 42 degrees. The Ford Flexible Rack System is a game changer for truck owners who need a smart way to carry different types of cargo. Whether you're hauling ladders for work, kayaks for an adventure, or oversized gear, this system adapts to your needs. Its adjustable design lets you slide and reposition the rack easily, giving you the flexibility to load and secure items of various sizes. Built with durable, high-strength materials, it ensures stability on the road while keeping your cargo safe. Grail Ultra Press Tie Purifier, pure water anywhere. The Grail Ultra Press Tie is a game changer for outdoor lovers. It's the first ever titanium water filter bottle, letting you collect water from a river, purify it in seconds, and even boil it over a fire. No extra gear needed. This powerful filter removes 99.99% of viruses and 99.999% of bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. It also gets rid of microplastics, pesticides, and heavy metals, so you always have clean, safe drinking water. With a fast filtration rate of 3 liters per minute, its cartridge lasts for up to 150 liters before needing a replacement. Built to survive the toughest adventures, this bottle has a rugged titanium shell that can withstand a 1.8-meter drop onto concrete. It holds 500 milliliters of purified water, making it perfect for camping, hiking, and emergencies. The GT Works GTS6 tray is a tough, reliable solution for anyone needing extra space to carry gear, tools, or equipment. Designed for work trucks, off-road vehicles, or outdoor adventures, this heavy-duty tray offers a strong and spacious platform to transport whatever you need. Whether you're hauling equipment for a job or packing for a weekend getaway, it has plenty of room to keep your load secure and organized. Built to handle rough conditions, the GTS-6 tray is made from durable materials that can withstand tough terrains and challenging environments. It ensures your cargo stays in place and your truck stays safe, even when you're driving over bumpy or uneven roads. This tray is easy to install and customized to suit your needs. It's designed to make your truck more functional, giving you the flexibility to carry larger loads with ease. With its sleek, modern look and strong build, the GTS-6 tray is the perfect addition to any vehicle that needs extra storage and durability. The IAG tailgate air compressor system is a must-have for truck owners who want powerful, on-the-go air compression. Whether you're inflating tires, using air tools, or handling quick fixes, this system is built to deliver reliable performance wherever you need it. Mounted directly on your truck's tailgate, it's always within reach, saving you time and effort when you're out on the road, at a job site, or off-roading in the wild. What makes it special? It's compact but powerful, designed to fit neatly into your truck without taking up valuable space. With fast inflation and a rugged, weather-resistant design, this compressor is built to handle tough conditions. Its easy-to-use controls mean you can get to work without any hassle, whether you're pumping up tires, filling up air mattresses, or blowing out dust from hard-to-reach spots. Perfect for adventurers, contractors, and outdoor enthusiasts, the IAG tailgate air compressor system ensures you're always prepared. Ignic gas growler. Did you know that 48 million propane tanks end up in landfills every year? Most are used for outdoor cooking and then thrown away, creating tons of waste. The Ignic gas growler is a smarter, eco-friendly alternative that lets you reuse your propane tank instead of constantly replacing it. Available in different sizes, from 3.4 to 75.7 liters, this refillable tank is perfect for camping, grilling, or any outdoor adventure. It comes pre-purged, meaning it's ready to be filled right out of the box. Plus, it includes a connecting hose, making setup quick and easy. To make carrying even simpler, the tank comes in a protective case for safe transport. For just $100 and up, you get a durable, reusable propane solution that helps reduce waste while keeping your adventures fueled. Whether you're cooking at a campsite, tailgating, or just enjoying a backyard barbecue, the Ignic gas growler ensures you never run out of propane while being kinder to the planet. The InstaFire Inferno may be small, but it delivers serious heat. Perfect for camping and outdoor adventures, this compact heater reaches up to 650 degrees Celsius, giving you a powerful flame for cooking or staying warm. Even in strong winds up to 13 ms per second, its flame stays steady, so you don't have to worry about unpredictable weather ruining your fire. One of the best things about the Inferno is its versatility. If you run out of fire starter pouches or fire pucks, King Camp Pet Tent. If you have a tent for yourself, your pet deserves one too. The King Camp Pet Tent is a perfect portable playpen for your furry friend, giving them a safe and cozy space to relax while you enjoy the outdoors. Whether you're camping, having a picnic, or just spending time outside, your pet will love having their own special spot. This pet tent comes in 3 sizes to fit different pets. The small size is for pets under 10 kilograms, the medium size is for those up to 30 kilograms, and the large size is for pets over 30 kilograms. It's built with a strong steel frame, making it durable and stable, even if your pet moves around a lot. Setting it up is quick and easy, and it folds down for convenient storage and transport. The tent provides good ventilation while keeping your pet protected and comfortable. Whether you're on an outdoor adventure or just need a secure space at home, this tent is a great choice. Luftakid is a smart, portable child safety seat designed to make traveling easier for parents and safer for kids. Made for children ages 1 to 7 and supporting up to 25 kilograms, it has passed strict German safety tests with above-average results. What makes Luftakid special? It's inflatable. Instead of struggling with bulky car seats, you just pump it up in 40 seconds, making installation quick and effortless. Once inflated, it securely attaches to the car's seatbelt, keeping your child safe and comfortable. Cleaning is just as simple. A little soap and warm water is all you need to keep it fresh. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, making it perfect for traveling, taxis, and rental cars. At $215, Luftakid offers a stress-free solution for parents who want a safe, easy-to-use car seat without the usual hassle. Mars Players the One, the ultimate camping gadget. The Mars Players the One is more than just a camping oven. It's a complete outdoor kitchen designed for adventurers. Shaped like a futuristic space probe, this high-tech grill heats up to 430 degrees Celsius in under 40 seconds, so you can cook meals quickly and easily. But cooking isn't its only trick. It also repels mosquitoes, lights up your campsite, provides heat, and even works as a Bluetooth speaker. Whether you're grilling dinner or setting the mood with music, it's got you covered. However, it doesn't have a built-in battery, so you'll need to plug it into a car or generator. In the US, it runs on 1,800 watts of power and needs a standard 15-amp outlet. Despite its many features, it weighs just 4.7 kilograms, making it surprisingly easy to carry. If you love camping and want a multi-purpose gadget that does way more than just cook, this might be the perfect addition to your gear. Do you think it's worth the investment for your next outdoor adventure?